Hey YouTube, it's John, and here's another quick fried circuit video. Today we're going to unbox a 4K camera, Handycam, so hopefully I can use that for some better recordings. Right now I'm using my iPhone, and there's of course our friend Tommy the cat. So let's get with the unboxing. So here we have a Panasonic HC-VX870. It's gotten pretty good reviews on the Best Buy site. It's a 4K 30 frame per second camera. I'm going to primarily use it for just some of these front shots or overhead shots, just some things where I'm not using an SLR. The SLRs that I have weren't really, they're more for photography and not for video making. So here we go. All right, here's the camera, and as you can see, I got my 705 set up on a little tripod. I was tinkering around with that earlier. Got love that radio. Got an unboxing link for it from last fall. Used it quite a bit, but what I really want to do is get my general license. So what's in the box here? It looks like we have a looks like just something that kind of goes over the lens and helps block out light from different weird angles from showing up. And we've got your basic user manual. Looks like warranty information, all that sort of fun stuff. And we have our camera. We'll set that down for a moment. Various connecting cables. Looks like a USB regular USB cable. Looks like a power cable or power to USB. Powering from a USB power supply. Another set of cables. All sorts of different type of USB-A to USB-C, or not USB-C, but there are mini USB. That's for a hat. So it's like an adapter, so you can plug on like a external microphone or a light into the camera. It's got a small body. And it looks like we got a battery and a charging brick. So yeah, one of those probably goes from the USB. It's got USB on the bottom, on the bag. Just gonna get the box out of the way. And we'll bust out our new friend here. 4K camcorder. So it does 30 frames per second in 4K. It's got Wi-Fi connectivity and a little bit of viewfinder there, so it should be pretty standard. So, and the cool thing is you can flip it where you can see on the side of it. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. I'm not sure what Leica Dicamar means. I'll have to look that up. I'll post something in the description about it. And there's the battery, and there's a shoe adapter is what they call for that. It's like just slide that right there on top, and you can put external microphone, which would probably be kind of handy in here. And you can also plug it directly into the wall while you're using it. Use it for like a live streaming cam. That's one idea that I had with it. So I can make some more content, maybe record myself playing some video games or something like that. That may be a fun activity. So let's go. Real quick, while I'm kind of going over some different things with this camera. So I did figure out the where the shoe adapter. So you open it up here, and there's a release button. Slide it down, slide it out. And here on the bottom we have our SD card slot. That's where you pop that in, pop in the battery. Got some functions here on the inside, some cable connections, AV, your microphone. So if you have an external mic, you're gonna have to, looks like you're gonna have to plug it in right there and keep the frame open, which is probably not too bad. I'm afraid it may touch that screen a little bit, but it doesn't look like a bad camera. Looking forward to also having the Wi-Fi controls and being able to activate the camera from there. So awesome. This looks like it's going to be a good little rig, and let's see if we can pop this bad boy on. Give it a little bit of, there we go. Makes it look a little bit nicer. A little bit more expensive. I know that there's a lot of things on here, so looks like the in order to open up that shutter, probably have to have the battery plugged in and everything. So I'm gonna have to give that battery a charge, and we'll start shooting some content with this very soon. Okay, so yeah, Leica Dicomars feature 4K photo, the twin camera, it's HDR movie, 20 times optical zoom, level shot function where you can kind of, looks like you could probably stabilize it or trim the, or swim the shot a little bit if it's a little bit off center if you want. Night mode and full HD video as well. So good reviews on the camera, so we'll see how it works out on some videos, hopefully, that you guys will be seeing and checking out in the near future. Thanks for watching the video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. If you're interested in ham radio, technology, computers, video games, things of that nature, things that may interest me, working on putting some content together for you guys. Have a great day. 7-3.